So I just wanted to make a quick video to show you all how you can quickly and easily add rows and columns to Excel. So one of the great things about Excel is that it is formatted in a very simple way, where each cell can be designated by its row and its column, where the column is indicated by these letters that you see up here, and the rows can be indicated by these numbers that you see right here. And each cell can be named that way, where for example this cell right here is C7, and this cell right here is D4. But sometimes you can have data and you can realize that you made a mistake, or for one reason or another you need to add or delete a cell. So with this being said, it is very important to know how to add and delete rows and columns. So here we have a hypothetical example where there's 5 sales reps and a series of dates. And going through this data, you might realize that there's a mistake. March 1st was accidentally completely skipped over. To add a row, what all you need to do is you need to go into one of the cells that's in the row that you want to add, right click, go to insert, entire row, and what this does is it shifts the cells downward and it adds an empty row to the row above the cell that's currently selected. Like so, the date that's needed, and then the information that I would like to add. Additionally, if you like, you can also just click on this number 9 right here, and then once you press enter, it knows that you're trying to add a row because the numbers only pertain to the rows. So, and then the same process can be done for a column. So let's just say you forgot that there were 2 Bobs. So you can click into the cell that you're looking to add a column to. Now you're going to want to make sure that you're in a cell that's to the right of the column that you're looking to add, as the new column is inserted to the left. Right click, insert, entire column. Then all the information is going to be shifted to the right, and a new column is going to be inserted into the left. Now I know what you're thinking, what if I wanted to add multiple rows or multiple columns? Fortunately, the solution is very simple. So instead of just clicking and highlighting one cell, you're going to want to highlight multiple cells. So let's just say I wanted to add 5 columns. I could highlight 5 columns, right click, insert, entire column, and it's going to do the same thing, except 5 columns are going to be inserted. Same thing with the rows. Let's say I just wanted to insert 5 rows. It's going to insert the rows above and create new rows. It's going to shift the information down and create new rows above the data that was selected. You can even add rows and columns in specific places. So to do this, what you have to do is you first have to click in the first cell, or highlight the cells that you would like to add columns or rows into. So for example, I'm going to add a column between Bill and Betty and Jake and Jan. So I click Betty first. I hold down Control and then I click Jan to highlight them both, and then I can right click and go entire column, and then you see it adds the columns in places that I would like them to, and I can do the same thing for rows. So if I wanted to add a row between February 25th and 26th, and between 27th and between 26th and 27th, I do the same thing with holding down Control and highlighting the cells, and I click entire row. And by the way, just to make sure that I'm clear, whenever I go back quickly, and I undo what I just did, that is just Control Z, which is a shortcut to undo. Also, as one last final note, you can even go through and it's very easy to make rows or columns just a little bit larger, because sometimes you won't need to add entire row or column. You would just have, let's just say, a hypothetical example where you have long names such as in this cell right here. You can go highlight right here where you see the letters in this column, for example, and you see where it gets to be this little symbol with like the 2 arrows pointing either way, line in the middle. that's a good sign, because you can just click that, drag it to the link that you'd like it to be, and make that the size that you need it to be. Same thing with a column, or same thing with a row, like I just did right there. So yeah, I really hope that y'all found this to be helpful and useful. Please like, subscribe, comment, and let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Thank you. Have a great day.